Hello guys, good morning USA. Ay, good noon pala. Good evening Philippines. Nami karon diri sa swimming pool dool sa among balay. Grabe kayo ang lugar oh. Maligo mi yan. Ningawat na ano. Look at guys oh. Look at the place. Dora ni kay sa mong balay guys, manamaligo mi kay pati inita. Okay guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Princess HQ Vlog. Now we are going to take a swim. Swimming. Huh?
The red one.
I can use this one. I can use this one there inside.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Hello guys. I need to put my phone like here. That is good.
That's why I like it. I want to
I didn't just.
But Cebu is much better. This side's okay.
It's very hot. Because they're coming here.
They're going to jump.
This is nice spot. I can see my phone, everything. I can go like this on.
Empire State.
I'm very happy. Thank you for watching, guys. We are done now. We are done, but I did not make my hair wet and then my face because I know the chlorine. There's a chlorine. I don't like the chlorine.
Chlorine.
Look at them. They are very happy. They're very happy. Yeah, babe. It's very nice here to month. There's no sun already, guys.
I think I'm dying.
Why?
What happened to me? I'm dying.
Crazy. You're idiot. Look at guys.
What time, babe?
Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Princess FC. Princess Pinay in Utica, New York. Sige na akong kalimot. Because nasanay ko sa Hong Kong. Tanawa guys, oh. Naliko ni diri sa free na swimming pool doon sa amo ang balay. Malapit lang sa bahay namin. Yeah. It's a nice place. Look. Ating inita, wa na akong gibasa akong dagbay kay natagam na ko kung na ako dito sa Cebu. Oy, Ginoo ko pagkahuman ang akong dagway nang itom jud maayo. Ang spot di na mo balik, di na mo hawa. Karon natagbaw na ko paayo. Mo na dinag ko mo truwa na ginako gibasa. Ang tubig sa swimming pool akong naong kay tungod sa chlorine sa swimming pool. Anawa tong ano dito. Nagsayaw-sayaw. Oh, naana po yung abot.
Why not? Can you? Yeah. I could.
Sarap maligo dito guys. Malamig yung ano, yung tubig. Anak na siya. 4.25 feet deep. Ah, this one is other one is 4.5. This one 4.5 deep. May mga ano pala siya oh. Dito ang pambata. Dire. This place, please. This one is 4.5 feet this side. This is very deep. This one is 4.5. Yeah. I'm 5. I'm already 4.5, but I'm 5. I can catch, but I don't want to. This one is from my head. I cover my face, but I don't want to cover my face. That's why I should go to the 4 only. 4 only. We should go here in the 4 only. 4. Even this one 4.25. This one is okay for me. Yeah. There's also a 4 here. Over there is a kids. Meron din palang 4. Yung ano, 4.0 feet deep. This one, ito ka. This one, 4.5. Yung over there, yes. 3.5, 3.5 lang. Dere. Pambata na ni Dere. Pambata na ni Dere. Kita. Tanto kaya mga bata. Now I know. $3.25 dala sa kabila. 3.5. Good job. Look at the place. Very nice. Pag ginako, gibasa ako ang ano guys. Ako ang gagaway kay ang Clorox ani grabe. Mahatag na po sa ko o kuan. Ito ko na. Dere mo teenager 4 feet lang, 4 feet 4.7. Lipay kayo ang mga bata nagdula-dula. Nagdula-dula sa ilahang simple na po. Mostly mga ano, mga aday dere. Nakaligo. Swimming. Oh, nice dyan. Hey guys, thank you for watching to my live today. And I'm very happy to see my subscribers watching. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. I love you. See you for my next video. Babush!